You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, ready to check out another Simon in my series of Simons. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 more left, 3 more after this. And then I'm on the hunt for other Simons. I mentioned in a previous video that, yeah, you know what, Simons might be good. There's other ones, I have quite a few. Let me make a list, document them, and see what I need to complete all of the different Simons. We shall see. Now, this one here is called the Pocket Simon, and the top looks like a regular Simon. It's a black case, but then it's got a handheld bottom, and it says Milton Bradley with a metal shield in the middle. MB, Milton Bradley. Pocket Simon on the bottom in black, and it's like this silvery looking area by the console. It almost looks like metal. It is metal. And there's the last button in blue, the start button in red, the longest button in blue, and then you have game 1, 2, 3. So this is like the regular Simon, and skill 1, 2, 3, 4. So it probably plays the same as a regular Simon. And on the back, a speaker area there. And then there is the battery cover, which slides off, which is nice. And it's an interesting battery assortment. I've seen this before where you have 1 9-volt, which we will put in. And I'm glad it's like this and not those 9 volts on the little straps with the little fabric thing. Those sometimes can break, especially if they corrode. Okay, so plus going this way. It's interesting how this is designed, looking at it now. This tab is the same, this is the same, but the battery's reverse. You don't see that much. Usually it's a spring, and then minus plus. Okay, so this should work. It says 1980 Milton Bradley. 1980 by Milton Bradley Company on the back. And this says MB Electronics, Milton Bradley, with a little sine wave there. Let's just see if it works. It's been such a long time. Oh, it does. It's very soft. Just stopped working. Okay. Something's going on. Ooh, the classic sound is there. Listen. I'll get it wrong. This looks like it's got issues. See how it's not held together? Let me take a look at this. I think it's worthy to see what's inside this one. Well, while that's going on, while this is going on, I'm going to play the original video. Now, I searched my channel for Pocket Simon. My original video came out in 2013, and that was way back when. This looks like there's a screw here and 2 here. I want to see the bulbs, because I recently had a question on the original Simon, the bulbs, which I'll go grab one so I can show it here if you're looking for that bulb. I think I should do it this way. Okay. Here is the inside. Okay, so these are tiny bulbs. Let's play this video. 2013, 30,000 views. This brings up another point. I get comments, people saying, all your videos used to get millions of views. No, they don't. There's only, out of the 7,800, maybe 5, 6, 700, maybe 1,000 that have over 1 million views. The rest are all in this range, except for current ones. 30,000, and then back here you see 16,000, 25,000, 28,000, all from 13 years ago. So back then I did 1, 2, 3, 4 Simons. This is a repeat. I don't know why. 2 minutes. So this original Simon video that I did, ooh, flashing light. Let's just play it. I'll play it in the background in case I get a text. Sometimes I get text while I'm making videos.
You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hello and welcome to Lucky Penny Shop.
Ooh, wait, did you hear what I just said? Hello and welcome to Lucky Penny Shop. Not, hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. I wish I knew.
You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hello and welcome to Lucky Penny Shop.
Not much
It's
excitement
Pocket
there.
Simon, and it's working great. It is
Working
an old
great.
electronic, so we can't warranty or guarantee it.
Can't warranty
We
or
just know it's
guarantee it.
working
Why did
right
I say
now.
that? I said that because I used to sell everything that was in videos, and obviously this never sold, or never got listed because I didn't want to sell. I don't know what happened, but it was just a little demo to
Just
show
look at the
in the
faceplate
eBay
here.
listing.
There's a last game which shows you what you just did. You can repeat
Okay,
it.
here's the
longest
instructions.
will show you the repeat during this session. So it'll repeat the longest game you had. The skill levels 1 through 4.
There's how to
the
play.
number of cycles it'll go through, and then the different types of games. The standard number 1 is
Okay.
when you just want to play.
I'm just holding this up for
single
someone
number
who needs
2.
it quickly and they don't want to
And
go
number
search for
3,
it and print it and
there's
do
2
all
other
that.
games you can play where you're building the colors yourself, and then one other game. So right now we're not worried about that. The PDF for the rules and instructions are online.
They are.
So let's hit the start button.
Replacing the bulbs.
Ooh, yellow. Yeah. 5 seconds.
Let's see, I probably didn't do very good. It's halfway through the video.
Okay, time to make a mistake. Love that sound. So now we can replay the last game,
I got long sleeves on too.
which is also the longest game. Let's take a look at the back at this. It is dated 1980 by Milton Bradley Company. The battery compartment's very clean on this. Batteries are
What
not
happened here
included,
now?
though. So you see what it takes. It's a little loose on the side, but I think that's just the way it's made. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it in that sense. So there you go. It's a Pocket Simon. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it.
Okay, I think it's this. Oh, oh man. All right, let's take a look. Does this come out? That comes out. There's the tiniest of bulbs. Okay, carefully twist off and discard the burnt bulb. Oh boy, this doesn't do damage. Okay, that one doesn't come out easy. They don't twist out. That one twisted out. Look at the size of this tiny bulb. I wonder if you can still get these. I don't read anything on it. And they don't tell you. Oh, if you need more of these, they are the T 1 3/4 2.5 volt screw base bulbs. As far as I get. Okay, so this is working. I wonder if just because the case was loose on that last one, it gave me the issue. Okay, let me get this. Let me go grab that other bulb. Okay, I have it wrapped up. This is a bad bulb. It is 2.7 volt screw-in base. Let me just double check that with my magnifier. It says, 2.3 volt, 0.27 amps screw-in base. That is the bulb for a regular Simon. Now you can find those. These, I don't know. You probably can. Someone's got them. Not for $3 like they show in the... That's the underside of that. Why does it not... I wonder if that cardboard is out of place or something. So you press that, and that's what bends and pushes that down onto one of the little pads. Okay, yeah, I'm going to leave that. Let's just leave it. It just doesn't want to close. It's like one more screw is what they needed. That's as tight as that'll go. And you get that little flip. I don't know. I want to move up a little though. All right. Now I can go through the games. You heard my original video. This holds on great. I almost need something right here. See it? This side's held down. This side's a little loose. Okay, game one for one or more players. Correctly repeat a longer and longer sequence. That's the standard game. Slide to game one. Skill levels, we'll just keep it that. Let's see the last. Okay, last and longest, like I said in the last. Oh, that's the longest one. So they're different because I had two different games. That makes sense. Press the start button. Okay, Pocket will duplicate the first signal. Okay, we've done that. Pocket Simon will duplicate these first two signals and add one. So it's just going to keep going on and on and on. How to win. Repeat the number of sequences for skill levels 1, 2, 3, or 4, and Pocket Simon will salute you with 6 short signals from the last lens you pressed. I don't think I'll ever achieve that. 2 or more player game. Players may team up against Pocket Simon or compete with each other. Decide who goes first. So it's basically game one, but you put 2 people in it. Game 2, player adds. Okay, create a longer and longer sequence. So game 2, I've done this one before and I was silly and I just did Wait. Create a longer and longer sequence. Okay. In this game, Pocket Simon gives you the first signal only. Okay. Oh, I'm still in game 1. That would make sense. Then I make one. What? Game 2. In this game, Pocket Simon gives you the first signal only. After that, you must create and repeat your own sequences. That's what I thought I was doing. Go back to skill level 1. Now I gotta go. Okay. I think I go. Yeah, and then I gotta do that again. Maybe there's something wrong with the button. Oh, it's supposed to be. I can't even get my own one. That was my addition. Gives me the first one. Then I give it the second one. And then I repeat that. Then I add the fourth one. Okay, I just did it out of order. All right, that makes sense. So you can do that 1 or 2 players. Game 3, choose your color. Repeat correctly the longest. So it's 4 players. Each gets a color. So those are the games. Okay, so you can do the 4-player game as 2 players. You just get 2 colors each. This is exactly like the regular version of this. All right, so we did that. We covered the bulbs for both. Now everybody knows. And let me do it one more time. Go back to game 1. More my speed. That's it. I can't do any more. I can't do it. I'm done. I want to stop there. I was getting it, but it's not here to show my tactical skills in this game. It's the lack thereof, my tactical skills. It's just to learn about the game itself and how it's played. And we figured it out. And there you go. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.